1 egg, 1 potato, and we're going to make this. We're going to make a breakfast or a meal that you can't believe. This is going to be cheap, it's going to be quick, it's going to be easy. Hang on, this is going to go fast. Here's our ingredient list. We have some spinach, some ham, garlic, slice of onion, slice of green pepper, mushroom, sharp cheddar cheese, and of course our egg and a potato, which you've already seen. We're going to add salt and pepper for seasoning, and that's going to be it. Let me chop everything up there, and we'll get back and start the process. We have all our ingredients cut up. We're going to take our potato, and we're going to put it in the microwave for 3 minutes. We'll come back when it's done. Our potato is in the microwave. We've cut holes into it. We're going to microwave it 2 minutes on one side, 1 minute on the other side, and we'll bring it back, peel it, and we'll start assembling our meal. This is going to come together very fast. Stay tuned, watch. You'll like this. Potato just came out of the microwave. The way you want to see it's done is you check it. When the knife goes in easy, it's ready. Alright, burner started. Pan's getting hot. Oil goes in. You always want to get your pan hot before you put anything in there so it doesn't stick. First of all, your aromatics, your items that don't have any liquid in there. Mushrooms, green peppers, onions. In. Stir those up. Let these cook for a while. While these are cooking, I just want to express that you can add anything you want to in here. We're making this today, 1 egg, 1 potato, but you can make it any way you want to. You can add any kind of spices you want to. This is easy, this is quick. Once again, as we always say, there's no magic here. There's no mystery in cooking. Very simple, follow basic instructions. You can do this. I have faith in you, I believe in you. Back to the pan. Pan's cooking, looking good. Throwing our spinach. Let the spinach wilt down. We're going to mash our potato up here so it cooks a little evenly, a little better. That's a big portion. See how hot this thing still is? And that's going in the pan. Easy so far? I think so. Now we're going to break our egg up. Mix the egg up in there. Go ahead and add our garlic and our ham. Potatoes mixed up. Everything's cooking. Now we're going to add our egg. Add a little salt. Add a little pepper. Let's check this thing out. There you go. I think we're done. Turn the fire off. Plate this thing up. There you go. Add your cheese. Look at that. Sharp cheddar cheese. Couldn't get any better. This is a meal that's going to be fit. Look at that. It's amazing. Let's come together. Let's come back and try this thing and we'll see how it is. And that's it. It all came together. Here we go. Here is our potato, egg, vegetable, ham, scramble. And you thought I forgot my habaneros. Got them right here. Here they go on the plate. Oh my gosh. I love these things. They're very good. Now let's try this, see how it is. It smells wonderful. Get a good habanero there. Big piece of egg, big piece of potato. That's really good. You need to try this. Like I said, you can do this yourself. You can do it at home. You can do it a lot cheaper than a restaurant. Don't let anybody tell you you can't do this. Cooking is very easy. You can be creative. You can put what you want to in there. You can take what you don't want out of there. We'll see you next time on Real Food, Spend Less. Tell your friends, share this video, like the video, and let me know if you do anything differently. I'll see you next time. Bye. I'm going to finish eating. Love these habaneros.